Make a great choice today with the 2016 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, power brakes, braking assist, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, multifunction display. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.